have to pay that.
Would interested in keeping the place, but they are. The Archbishop wants to sell this building outright to the Board of Education.
What's going to happen to you?
Tax commission.
Forget it. $5,000, no problem. We'll have it for you in the morning.
Well, it's by
No.
no.
It's not like that.